Hi, I'm Max here at Leaders RPM, and today we're doing an oil change on a Polaris Ranger 500 using Oil Change Kit 220-2166. These are the tools you'll need to complete the oil change on the Polaris Ranger. A ratchet wrench, socket wrench, a 6mm Allen head, and a pair of oil filter pliers. All right, when you start your oil change and get to underneath your rig here, it is in this giant triangle oval, the drain plug. Use a 6mm Allen. All right, when reinstalling your drain plug, make sure you get rid of the old crush washer and install the new one that comes in the oil change kit. And when you tighten it down, make sure it's tight, but not crazy tight. All right, and on these Polaris 500s and most Polarises, the oil filter is right next to the dipstick here. You can spin it off usually by hand, and if not, you can grab an oil filter it. And I'd let it drain before coming all the way off before you make a mess. All right, when you get your new oil filter out of your oil change kit, make sure you put a little bit of lube there on that oil ring and reinstall. And make sure it's about hand tight. Nothing too crazy. All right, when adding your oil, you're going to remove this cap here. Grab your funnel. And these take about 2 quarts, which again is in your oil change kit. Now that your oil is changed, make sure you run your engine for about 10 to 15 seconds and then check your dipstick. Make sure your dipstick's tight. Now that you have ran your engine, let it get a couple degrees warmer, check your dipstick. All right. And you want to make sure the oil is right between those 2 lines here. It's perfect. And that's how you do an oil change on a Polaris Ranger 500. Make sure you click the link below to get your oil change kit today.